Yeah, well, welcome. We're at the IMTS show in Chicago, Illinois, introducing our FlexxCool system to the manufacturing sector that are here today. The main concept of FlexxCool is we maintain your sump levels always full and always at the correct concentration, therefore maintaining the target concentration consistent over a long period of time. The most common issues that manufacturers are talking about in the industry today is concentration control at each machine. That seems to be the number one issue, followed by sump levels not being maintained full all the time, as well as incorrect top-ups going into their machines. Another issue that they face is labor, how labor intensive it is for either the operators or a maintenance staff that handle coolant on a daily basis, filling those machines. There are certain set points that we program from each machine tool into the FlexxCool. And from those different parameters, we are able to establish when a top-up is needed. And by doing so, we top up at a correct percentage to maintain those targets that you're looking for at each machine. Now, each machine can be set at all the same target percentages or individualized to whatever you'd like them to be. And our system will make sure that the correct top-ups are sent out to maintain those targets where they need to be. What we have here is a sensor that is mounted at each machine sump, and these sensors strictly monitor the height or level of coolant in the tank. And from these sensors, we are able to establish certain parameters, as I mentioned earlier, where we can incorporate that into the FlexxCool to control the sump and basically call for a top-up when it needs to be done. Well, we have a couple of safety features to prevent spills and overfilling. One is hardware-based, the other is software-based that is programmed into the FlexxCool, which is part of the solution that we have built here in our system. Very user-friendly. All the software that we have in our system is Siemens-based, so it's all high-end software. The air valves are the same air valves used in your CNC machines, so they're very robust. And the manifolds inside, we manufacture in-house ourselves. There are a couple other features that we have with our FlexxCool system, and that is, should you be using two different types of concentrates in your facility, whether it be different cells or you've got mills and lathes on a certain concentrate, or you have grinders which are on a secondary concentrate, our FlexxCool system is able to take two different types of those concentrates, deliver concentrate A to your mills and lathes and concentrate B to your grinders. Another option we have with our FlexxCool system is taking clean recycled coolant, should you be recycling coolant in-house, where we can incorporate that clean recycled coolant, mix it with raw concentrate water, and deliver that as top-up to each of your machines. From a cost-saving standpoint, we can generally establish an ROI, a proper, true ROI, within the first year, year and a half of using the FlexxCool system in your facility. There are two parts of the equation when it comes to ROI, and one is labor savings, whether it be your operators, machining time, or your maintenance staff, repurposing those hours for more value-added tasks, as well as concentrate savings should you be running richer than your desired targets at your machines. In addition to the labor savings as well as concentrate savings, we know that there's other savings that can be recovered, such as tool life, extended tool life, coolant longevity, part quality. So those are other features that we know that bring value, which we can't put a dollar value to.